Okay.
This chunk is cut out of here now.
Yeah.
And these are plugged. I'm not going to use them. I'll put those long shocks in. Butt spring rubbers. This is cleaned up here, except to vacuum.
Okay.
And they'll come over here.
Oh wow.
This is all dismantled, clean,
Okay.
fine, painted.
Okay.
So that's ready to go in once the paint dries.
So to your fans here, what is this?
This is the steering mechanism.
Okay.
This is
Hold on, get a different light.
this is if you come over here, this is like go this way so you're not against the light. This is the pinion here,
Yeah.
and it goes into these grooves,
Oh, okay.
and that's what steers it. And then it was burred all the way here
Okay.
over the years.
Yeah.
So that's all emery cloth down nice and smooth.
Okay.
And then I'll put this in. There's two little braces that went on here. They lost them, so I guess I gotta make them.
Okay.
That's for the tie rod ends.
Okay. So was this already pre-installed, or was this
No,
separate?
they didn't even know it was in there.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so, because it was full of grease and dirt and whatnot. And
Well, we saw the video the other day of how dirty everything was, but
Yeah.
this is great.
so that's what it looks like. And then from now on, instead of greasing it under the end there in a hollow 3/8 rod,
Yeah.
I'm putting great 9-rod bolts in, and they'll be greased from the top here.
Okay.
So they're all greased. It's just some improvement that we done on all of them.
Okay. So Dad's still working away at the shop here. It's about -4°C outside today. It's our Troppers Festival, but Dad's 7 days a week out at the shop here, and busy in town for Troppers Festival. But this is Dad's Troppers Festival every day. He just loves it. And
Especially when you got a nice clean machine to start on.
yeah, well,
This is what the
this is some of the shit that Dad's pounded out already here. So I'll clean that up.
this is what that extra chunk of iron looked like that I took out.
Oh, right, yeah.
Okay, so now you can vacuum here.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Inside, all over. underneath.
Okay. So Dad likes a clean work area, so I'm gonna do some vacuuming and we'll check back in. So Dad's just gonna show us here a special grease nipple. So,
This goes in from the bottom up through your steering rod,
okay,
and the lock washer goes on top. You lock it down,
yeah,
and that's the only way you can grease the original steering tube,
okay,
is underneath there.
okay.
And I'm going to go and show you where you put it.
Okay, this is just one of many parts that Dad has ferreted away in his parts collection.
They go right in there. See that hole? Right here.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Okay, that's where they go.
Okay,
And then every once in a while with light grease, you get in there and grease it about 8 shots.
okay.
There's one on each end.
Okay, so that's a special grease nipple, and
Where's that steering rod?
oh, okay,
It goes through from the bottom like this to the top.
yeah,
Put the lock washer and nut and tighten it real tight.
okay,
And then it's sticking down here to grease it. So this fruit has to slide like this.
yeah. So Dad just mentioned he's got 6 of those in stock. So if you want to reach out to him and get those, he's got them available. Again, they go.
They get greased with real light grease because they have a brass bushing.
Okay, it'll be going right here, right on the corner.
I'll show you what the... inside of these tubes have a special brass bushing.
Yeah, you
So
see that.
if you don't lubricate it or wear that out, and it drags.
Okay. So we're just having coffee here with Dad, and he was talking about this. Any of the guys that are watching are from the paw, and you want Dad to tell a story about something, just comment in the comments there about a story that you might want Dad to tell. And he's 81, so he's got 81 years of stories to tell. But
Anything you want to know about our customers or your friends that I know,
yeah,
I know a story.
so or any subject you want Dad to cover, he'll gladly do it. And so, again, Saturday, February 17th. It's probably March by the time you guys are watching this. We've already had this in the shop for a week or more, and we're still waiting on the other customer to come and pick up his machine. But Dad's done quite a bit of work, and he's really enjoying actually working with a clean machine. And he says this is the way to go. Get it down to the nitty-gritty like this and start afresh. Yeah, what else happened? Hey? Were you a Puckatawagan garbage dog and you got rescued? You did? Really? And who saved you? Was it your dad? Was it your dad that saved you? Daisy, was it your dad that saved you? Said, oh, that's my baby? Hey? Our Puckatawagan garbage dog.